me last, yeah, so just get up on my face. They all up in my inbox, so I know they wanna taste. I know they want my downfall.
Hey guys, it's your girl, the Makeup Plug, aka Miss Wilson, baby. And today, I'm back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And today, I did this smoky cranberry eye, and it is like super bomb. Especially with like this dark brown matte lip. Y'all know that I usually don't do matte lips, and if I do, it has a gloss right on top. But y'all, I'm feeling this look. If you like this look so far, stay tuned. Hey guys, ignore that. That's my husband trying to be in the video. So I'm prepping my lips with the Agave lip balm, and I actually really like this. A little bit goes a very long way. This is just to hydrate my lips for my matte lip that I'm going to be wearing later. Okay, so I'm taking that Juvia's Place palette in the Warrior 2, and I'm taking that transition shade in my P. Louise base in number 5. And this is the Sephora Collection brush. This is actually one of my favorite brushes to prep my eye with my base with because it blends it out very seamless and not patchy. Okay, so I'm taking this flat fluffy brush, and that's gonna pack on my transition shade. I'm really just packing it on. I'm not sweeping or swiping yet. Now with the fluffy blending brush, I'm taking that same transition shade in the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm literally going over my whole eyelid and taking it down my nose. Now I'm taking this matte burgundy shade in this Juvia's Place palette, using my Morphe M443 brush, and I'm going to put this color right under that transition shade, right directly in my crease, because we're not going to be cutting creases. Everything, this look is really going to be a very blended look. Now taking my MAC palette, I'm actually going to be taking that Film Noir color right there. It is a blush, but I love using this color as eyeshadow and for contour. And I'm taking that same Morphe M433 brush, I'm sorry guys, and I'm going to be putting that towards the end of my eye like I'm doing right now. Now I'm going back in with Film Noir just to make sure that I didn't lose it towards the end of my eye. Now I'm going in with my BBM Cosmetics palette, and I'm actually going to be taking that red copper color right there. It's actually a very beautiful color, and I'm starting it off with my fingers just because I didn't want any fallout. So I started with my fingers first, and then I moved on to a brush, a flat brush at that. Okay guys, so now I'm moving on to a fluffy brush. I took the Morphe M433 brush, and I put that little bit of that copper color on the brush just so I can have a seamless blend. So I'm really blending that copper color to the top of my lid. Now taking a small detail blending brush, and I'm using that black color right there, and I'm just going to smoke out the outer corners of my eye just to create a little bit of dimension. Okay, with this small fluffy brush, I'm going to be smoking out my lower lash line with that red color, and I'm also going to be highlighting my inner corners with these two colors right here. Now with this brush, I'm actually going to be highlighting my brow bone with this beautiful color. It might look a little light just because of the lights, but now I'm taking that, whatever's left on my Morphe brush, I'm taking that just to make sure it's blended very well. Now taking my BBM Cosmetics highlighting palette, I'm taking that beautiful gold shade to highlight my beautiful cheeks. Now I'm just adding eyeliner to the bottom of my lash line using the Ulta Black eyeliner. I haven't had any problems with this liner actually, and it seems pretty good. Now I'm taking my Anastasia liquid eyeliner, and I really love this eyeliner. It dries down so fast, and it is literally black. Like, I love the pigmentation of this, and I always wipe off the sides of this eyeliner so it won't be messy. Now I'm just taking some fresh duo glue. This is my first time trying the black glue, so I wanted to see how it would do with my lashes and see if it was messy or not, but it seems to do really, really good. Now I'm going to be taking the Sephora Collection liquid lipstick in number 29, Pretty Auburn. This is the prettiest dark brown I have ever seen, literally. I know I don't wear a lot of matte colors, but this is actually one of my favorite colors to wear. Now I'm taking the Benefit Roller Lash, and y'all, this is my first time actually picking up this mascara, and I was a little shook. Like, I have been sleeping on Benefit. Okay guys, so this is the final result of this little cranberry smoky eye with a bold dark lip, and y'all, I am loving it. I usually never do matte lips, but I'm really loving this. This is actually, what is this? The Sephora Collection matte liquid lipstick in number 26. So I love this, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys.